The DJI FPV2 is finally here, and it brings thrilling updates for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're brand new to flying or a seasoned pilot, this drone offers an immersive experience that feels like you're actually soaring through the sky. With enhanced speed, smoother handling, and a sharper camera, the FPV2 is built for adventure. From upgraded controls to an improved flight time and better visuals through the goggles, DJI has pushed this model to new heights. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the DJI FPV2, from its flight modes and camera capabilities to battery life and design features. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Technify. Tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest drone and tech reviews. The DJI FPV2 is crafted for those who want more than just aerial shots. It's about total flight immersion. It's fast, responsive, and built to deliver precision in every maneuver. Let's start with speed and control. In manual mode, the FPV2 can reach up to 90 miles per hour, putting it among the fastest drones available. There are 3 distinct flight modes: normal, sport, and manual. Beginners will appreciate normal mode stability and ease, while sport mode cranks up the speed with more control. Manual mode is for experienced flyers who want complete freedom in the air. With upgraded motors and a redesigned propeller system, the drone offers ultra-smooth performance. Tight turns, rapid dives, and quick directional changes are handled effortlessly, perfect for racing or capturing high-action scenes. One of the standout upgrades is the camera. The FPV2 now features a 1/1.3-inch sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second. This results in crisp, high-quality footage, even during rapid movement. It also supports HDR, offering vivid colors and better balance between highlights and shadows. The wide f/2.0 aperture ensures excellent low-light performance, ideal for early morning or late evening flights. Stabilization has been taken up a notch with Rocksteady 3.0. This system minimizes vibrations and camera shake, producing cinematic quality footage even during aggressive maneuvers. The design is more aerodynamic, reducing air resistance and improving efficiency. Built from durable materials, the FPV2 can handle minor crashes without falling apart. LED lights enhance visibility in dim conditions, while reinforced propeller guards provide extra protection in tight environments. The new DJI Goggles 3 are another major leap forward. They deliver higher resolution and brightness, offering a vivid low-latency view that makes you feel like you're inside the drone. The wide field of view further enhances immersion. When it comes to controls, users have 2 solid options. The DJI Motion Controller 2 allows you to steer the drone with intuitive hand movements, making it fun and easy to fly. For more traditional pilots, the DJI FPV Controller 3 provides advanced manual control, great for those flying in manual mode. Battery life sees a nice bump, offering up to 25 minutes per charge. Not only does it last longer, but it also charges faster and manages heat better, so you can spend more time flying and less time waiting. Safety has also been improved. Enhanced obstacle detection helps prevent crashes, and the return-to-home function brings the drone back automatically if the battery runs low or the signal is lost, especially useful for beginners or in challenging conditions. The DJI FPV2 marks a big step forward in immersive drone flying. With blistering speed, intuitive controls, and a top-tier camera system, it's perfect for those who want both performance and creative freedom. Whether you're chasing action shots or simply enjoying the rush of flight, this drone delivers. From the revamped goggles and powerful motors to the extended battery life and rock-solid design, every aspect of the FPV2 feels like a true upgrade. It's accessible enough for newcomers but packed with features pros will appreciate. If you're searching for a drone that's thrilling, dependable, and built for adventure, the DJI FPV2 is tough to beat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Technify. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest drone reviews and tech updates. See you in the next one.